Picture this, saying your vows surrounded by nothing but the natural beauty of rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves with the Tuscan sun setting in the background. Doesn't that sound romantic? If you're thinking about eloping in Tuscany but don't know where to start, then this guide is for you. Tuscany is one of the most popular destination weddings locations in Italy. It's also the largest region in Italy, and it's easy to see why one would want to elope. With its picture-perfect landscapes, medieval hilltop villages, world-famous wine, and delicious food, what's not to love? And if you're looking for an intimate affair, then eloping here will be even more special. Here are a few other reasons why Tuscany should be at the top of your list if you're thinking of a location to elope. You can get married outdoors, surrounded by the stunning panoramas. There is no residency requirements if you're getting married as a foreigner. There are plenty of English-speaking vendors. You can easily combine your wedding with a romantic honeymoon. And there are fantastic experiences you can incorporate in your wedding day, like wine tasting or visiting a local cheese factory. Now that we've talked about some of the reasons why Tuscany makes such a perfect place to elope, let's look at how you can make this happen. The first thing I think you have to do is think of your ceremony. What type of ceremony do you want? Do you visualize exchanging your vows in front of a mountain view, or an ancient castle, or a winery, or one of Tuscany's hill towns? Once you have a general idea of where you want to get married, it's time to start looking for your wedding planner. The last thing you want to be doing is worrying about the florist or your ceremony. You want everything. I think it's best to have a really nice elopement and you just show up. Everything's done for you. You know, we recommend highly finding a wedding planner who specializes in destination weddings and who knows Tuscany well and who speaks English fluently. They will be able to help you with everything from securing your permits and booking your vendors to recommending accommodation for you, where you're going to be staying or eloping for you and your guests if you have any. Other important things to consider when eloping in Tuscany are your budget, what kind of atmosphere you want, and what you want for your big day. You want a formal affair or do you want something more relaxed? Keep these things in mind and when you start planning the details, and communicate this with your planner or designer, because they will help you narrow down your choices because they know the area when it comes to finding venues or vendors like photographers, florists, caterers, etc. From the rolling hills of the Chianti Region to the stunning vistas of the Volterra region, there are endless possibilities for an unforgettable elopement ceremony. And here are of our favorite places to elope in Tuscany. There are many more, but these are just some that come to mind right now. The Chianti Region. The Chianti Region is known for its wine, but it's also home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in all of Italy. With its rolling hills, the medieval villages, and the vineyard-covered slopes, the Chianti Region is the perfect place if you're looking for a fairy tale setting. It's very close to Florence as well. Then you have the Volterra region. The Volterra region is UNESCO World Heritage Site that thanks to its stunning natural beauty. And it's where you see the Renaissance painters and Leonardo da Vinci, or all the backdrops. Those are all taken from paintings from this region. You have towering cypress trees that line the roads that wind through the vineyards and the olive groves leading up the hilltop towns with breathtaking views. And if you're looking for a truly picturesque setting for your elopement ceremony, then look no further than the Volterra region. Siena. Siena is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Tuscany. This medieval city is filled with historic buildings and well-preserved architecture. From the Duomo di Siena to the Palazzo Vecchio, there are endless opportunities for your elopement ceremony. Then you have Volterra. Volterra is a small town located in the Tuscan hills. It's best known for its alabaster mines, and it's also home to the number of historic churches and buildings. If If you're looking for an off the beaten path setting for elopement, Volterra and the whole countryside is a perfect place. The perfect Tuscany elopement. Not only is Tuscany an incredible romantic setting, but there are also a number of activities that you can do to make your elopement day even more special. We named a few before, but here are some of our top suggestions. You have wine tours. One of the best things about Tuscany is the wine. There are a number of places that offer tours and tastings, so you can learn about the winemaking process and sample some of the region's best wines. Chianti, Montepulciano, Montalcino. We highly recommend booking a private tour so that you can really take your time and enjoy the experience. Cooking class. What better way to spend your elopement day or the day before or after than by learning how to cook a traditional Tuscan meal? There are a number of cooking classes available, and most will even let you choose what you want to make ahead of time. After a day spent learning how to cook, you can relax and enjoy your hard work with a romantic dinner for two, or you can do this, as we said before, the day after wedding and have a multi-day wedding. Private chef. If you really want to go all out on your elopement day, why not hire a private chef for your day? A private chef will be able to cook any type of meal you desire, and they will usually clean up afterwards as well. This is a great option if you want to enjoy a relaxing day without having to worry about the cooking. It's also very intimate. We suggest hiring a driver for the day so that you can visit the different villages without having to worry about driving and finding parking. You can get out of the car, take your newlywed photos, excursion, and get back in. This way, you can just sit back and enjoy the scenery. Extend your elopement to Tuscany for an ultimate adventure. When you elope in Tuscany, you're not only getting a beautiful wedding day, you're getting a chance to escape the hustle and the bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in one of the most stunning regions, cultures of the world. But why limit yourself to just one day? If you can extend your elopement for a few days, you can truly experience all that Tuscany has to offer. Here are just a few reasons why you should consider extending your elopement into a multi-day adventure. Tuscany has something for everyone. Whether you're a foodie and wants to try all the region's renowned cuisine, an outdoors lover who wants to hike through the rolling hills and vineyards, take a bike tour, or a history buff who wants to explore ancient villages, ruins, Tuscany has something for everyone. And what better way to experience it than with the person you love? By extending your elopement, you can create memories that will last a lifetime. There's no rush on your wedding day. One of the best things about eloping is that there's no need to rush. Without all the planning, the stress that comes with a traditional wedding, you can take your time, enjoy every moment of your wedding day. That goes double if you extend your elopement into a multi-day affair. You can savor every moment, from saying your vows in front of a picturesque landscape to enjoying a romantic dinner for two under the stars, have a pizza party the day before, or a wine tour, and the day after in your honeymoon, go visit Florence. There's so much to see and do in Tuscany. Tuscany is home to the rolling hills, picturesque vineyards. If you elope here, you won't be stuck in one place. You'll have the entire region at your disposal, which, as I mentioned before, is the largest region in Italy. There are endless opportunities of adventure, exploration, and romance. Italy is numero uno for romance and food. You can spend your days hiking through vineyards, lounging by the pool with a glass of wine in hand, or exploring the historical villages. The possibilities are endless. So don't settle for one day elopement in Tuscany. There's just too much to do. Extend your elopement so you can truly experience all that this incredible region has to offer. There is something for everyone in Tuscany. Plus, by extending your elopement into multiple days, you'll have time to savor every moment without feeling rushed, which first thing you want to do with eloping, you do not want to rush. And if you plan ahead, an extended elopement can even save you money in the long run. Since you're already here for your elopement and for your honeymoon, take the time to explore all that Tuscany has to offer. Use this as an opportunity to visit new places and create lasting memories together as husband and wife, your new journey together. You can explore other regions in Italy. After all, Italy is known for its charm, beauty, delicious food, romance, so why not indulge a little bit while you're there? Make time to visit Tuscany's dreamy hilltop villages such as San Gimignano or other iconic cities like Lucca, Florence, or Pisa. Or make the opportunity to head further afield to explore the Veneto regions with day trips to Venice, or Verona, or Rome. Or perhaps explore other wine regions in Umbria, which is neighboring region, and get lost in their medieval towns. Without a doubt, eloping in Tuscany is a perfect solution for couples who are dreaming of a destination wedding, full of romance, beauty, art, and culture. From its picture-perfect landscapes to its world-famous wine and delicious food, there are so many reasons why Tuscany should be at the top of your list. To make sure everything goes smoothly on your big day, we recommend finding English-speaking wedding planner who specializes in destination elopement weddings. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream Tuscan elopement today. And for more elopement tips, you can watch this video and contact us if you're ready to elope or want more information eloping in Tuscany or other regions in Italy or California around the world. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.